Hello, my name is Chef Rejoice. Welcome back to my channel. And today I want to show you how to make kalmat. This is a unique recipe I learned from my mother when I was very young. And today I want to show you how to make it. I hope you will enjoy. Welcome. Let's eat together. So I have warm water we're going to use to make our kalmati. We will start to mix the dry ingredients. The liquid ingredients will follow. So I'm going to mix well the yeast, baking powder, and flour. Now we're going to mix water with sugar and salt so that the salt and sugar can easily dissolve before we start to mix it with the flour. So this is the sugar. I'm using white sugar, and I'm going to put 4 spoons. So it's like double of the cups. 2 cups of flour, 4 spoons of sugar. This is big spoon, dinner spoon, but you can put according to your tastes. Then I'm going to add half spoon of salt just to balance sugar, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water, the same cup I used to measure the flour. So I'm going to put 2 of them. I'm going to make sure that the sugar is completely dissolved in water before I mix with my flour. I told you this recipe has got big history in my life, and this is one of my major recipe that my mom taught me when I was very young. So I was excited to share with you how to make it. It does not have a lot of ingredients. It is very simple to make, and I hope you will enjoy the tastes. Instead of water, you can also use milk if you want, or coconut. But today I'm just going to use water. Now it is already dissolved. We are going to mix with the flour, and we are going to mix periodically. Remember, I told you this is kalmat, so the flour has to be not like a dough. It's going to be like a mixture, not too watery but not too hard. So I'm going to do like this, small. The mixture should be very soft. The color of whole wheat is a bit not that attractive like white wheat, but it is more hard. So I urge you to choose this one. So you can see it is ready. This consistency is okay. You see, it's very okay. So we are just going to let it stay for 2 hours. It will almost double this size. The instant yeast we have used will almost double it, and from there we are going to start cooking our kalmati. So this is ready, and we are going to let it to cover it and let it sit for 2 hours. So as you can see, our mixture has really rised up. It has just become almost double of our initial size, and this is how it has to be. And I'm just going to show you how to make these kalmats. So before that, we need to make sure that the oil is hot. So I'm going to start my stove and make sure that the oil is going to be hot. And then maybe for 10 minutes. After that, we are going to add our mixture in the oil. But one thing, the oil should not be very hot. It has to be just in the medium hot. And after 10 minutes of medium heat in your stove, now I want to add the mixture, but I'm going to reduce heat into minimum. You can even put it off for a while, so that you don't want to put your mixture in the oil when the oil is too hot, because it will just cook in the outer layer and the inside will not cook well. So the oil should be hot, but not very hot. Yes. Because I'm going to use my hands to cook this kalmat, so I just want to start oiling my hands so that it will not stick. The flour will not stick to my hands. We need to make sure that our hands are well cleaned. Yes. And then I'm just going to use my hand. So how am I going to do it? So I will be cutting by using my finger, and it's like this is going to be my measure. So the more bigger you want, the more you increase this measurement. So how am I going to do it? I'm going to do like this inside the oil. So this is how I'm going to do it. Yes. So as I said, at this first stage of putting the kalmats in the oil, the temperature should be very low. As you can see, now it's almost in the lowest point, and this allows the kalmats to cook well inside before outside, and I can just gradually increase my temperature. Like now I'm just going to add 1 point. Now it is almost below the lowest or below medium heat. When it comes to heat, you really need to be careful to control the heat. It should not be too high, but also should not be too low, because the kalmati will diffuse a lot of oil. So I'm also going to add temperature a little bit and let it cook for a while. So as you can see, this one is almost ready, and these two. And you know, before it cools, the color will continue to increase. So at this stage, they're just in a good stage to be removed, and they will continue to give us a goldish color as it gets cold. This one helps us to turn them. Our kalmats are ready to eat. You can eat it with yogurt. You can enjoy it with juice or any drink of your choice. Thank you for cooking with me. Until next time.